Hello guys. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to reduce gallery memory on your iPhone. Let's check how much memory the gallery is currently taking up. Open the setting and go to the General. List of options will show up. Scroll down and find iPhone storage. Click on it. Wait a couple of seconds till the iPhone calculates memory. Find photos and you can see how much memory your gallery is taking. Now let's go a couple steps back. Scroll down and find the setting option for photos. Click on it. Here you can see various options for your gallery. The option that we need is iCloud Photos. Let's enable it. Now in the background your photos are uploading on iCloud. Note: to see your photo from your gallery in full quality you will need internet connection. If you ever want to disable this option, just come here and toggle this option. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.